good morning, students. Now, today is 16th of May, tomorrow is 17th of May, the big day of your life, that is INA City exam. So, here are a few tips that I would like to give to you at the last minute for your last day and the exam day strategy. So, please go through the whole video, and this is going to be really beneficial for you. So, let's start. So, students, now this is the exam day strategy, last exam day strategy. Let's go through it. The major pointers that I'm covering in this are a day before the exam. What about your sleep and what should be the mindset? Morning of the exam, exam center, how to approach the exam, how to approach each question, and time management. Now, coming to a day before the exam, so check the exam center exact location. Don't keep it for the last moment कि मेरे एग्जाम का क्या सेंटर लोकेशन है, मैं जाके देख लूँगा. Check in the Google. If possible, go one day prior or send somebody, your driver, your father, your brother, your sister, anybody can go and see the exam center. Reach by afternoon to the exam city. If you are coming from outside other city, then please reach the exam city by today afternoon because tomorrow we have the exam. While traveling, you can study your notes, your self made notes, volatile pointers. You can study the common mistakes that are made in the exams. So, don't go for any detailed reading during traveling. You can go through these pointers. हैव अ वेरी लाइट डिनर बिफोर 7 PM. आज रात 7 बजे से पहले पहले आप अपना डिनर कर लो, ठीक है, और हल्का डिनर करो. डोंट हैव अ हैवी डिनर. इफ यू गोइंग टू सम अदर सिटी, डोंट गो एंड ईट आउटसाइड. स्टॉप स्टडिंग एट 10 PM. 10 बजे आप पढ़ने का अपना किताबें कॉपियाँ सब बंद करके रख दो. डोंट स्टडी आफ्टर 10 PM. गो टू बेड एंड स्लीप. आप अपने बेड पे जाओ और सो जाओ. अगर नींद नहीं आती है तब भी आप अपने बेड पे जाके लेट जाओ. जस्ट गो एंड लाई डाउन. Lying down, take physical rest. That is very important. Don't do anything else. Just close your eyes and just try to take some rest. So, that is important. It will reduce the sympathetic drive that is there in your system. It will reduce the panic, the anxiety that is usually associated with the exam. Don't overthink. Okay. Now, the morning, tomorrow morning, get up early by 5:30 a.m., freshen up, take a bath, and then do a little prayer to your God for strength. Prayer में बहुत ताकत होती है. To have faith in that supreme power gives you a lot of strength within yourself. Eat very light breakfast, maybe just tea and biscuits or bread. Reach the exam center well in time. जो आपके allotted time है, like if it's 6:30 or 7, reach the exam center at that time. Once you reach there, enter the exam hall, see your table, go to the washroom, get free from the washroom things, and then settle down. Once you are sitting, don't look here and there, don't look at people, don't look at their faces. Just look outside if your table is near a window, or just look down at your table. Avoid eye contacts at this time. Just be with yourself. That is your that is your cocoon in which you are sitting, and that is your world. Now, how to approach the exam? While you are sitting, make these goals in your mind. The first thing, time management. You have 200 questions and you have 180 minutes, right? So that means 4 sections, 50 questions each, you have to solve in 45 minutes. For one question, you will get even less than 1 minute. So make a goal that I will solve 10 questions in 8 minutes. Okay, 50 questions I'll do in 40 minutes, and so I'll get 5 minutes to go through all the questions once again. Now, in this, there will be some direct questions which you will do fast. There will be some conceptual and some calculative or some tricky questions that you will do a little slow. So, the speed should be consistent to this, that you try to complete 50 questions in 40 minutes. Avoid silly mistakes. Very important. जल्दबाजी में, panic में, anxious होके don't do silly mistakes. There are direct questions from revision contact. You have to get them correct. If you get them wrong, then that means कि वो फिर हमें cost करता है. So direct questions should always be correct. Doubtful options वाले questions हैं, तो then you apply theory of elimination. 2 options अगर आप rule out कर सकते हैं, and then 2 options are remaining, so attempt whichever looks better. Have a mindset that one exam doesn't define you. It will not be the life and death of your life. It is not the end of the world. एग्ज़ाम फोड़ कर आऊँगा या आऊँगी, ये आपका कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल होना चाहिए. Coming to how to approach each question. Now, each question is very important. It can be, now what are the types of questions? Sometimes the questions are direct, one liner, or factual. They are based on active recall. If you don't have any idea about the question, just skip it. Don't do tukkebaji. If it is a clinical question with a story behind it and there is conceptual, then stop, read the whole question thoroughly first. Look what is exactly asked. Usually, students, they miss what is asked. They don't pay attention to these trick words: least likely, incorrect, not, false, all or none of the following. So these options, please write if it is there in the sentence. Read all the four options properly. Then try to identify which subject it is from. By using your knowledge, rule out three options. Even if you are sure of one single option at the first go, still rule out other options. Then there are image based questions. So, image based questions may it is very easy. You can always, the image is there. If you have done that question, you will definitely be able to answer it. Again, you apply the same formula. Make an attempt that in round one you do all the direct and sure short questions. Then again go back and round two may attempt all the conceptual calculation elimination questions. Attempt at least 185 to 190 questions out of 200. Skip those questions I told you earlier, which you have no idea, because there is a negative marking of -1/3. In INICT, questions look easy, but options are tricky. आप ये मत सोचो कि क्वेश्चंस तो बड़े सिंपल आए. अगर क्वेश्चन सिंपल आ रहा है तो पेपर टफ है. सो रीड व्हाट एग्जैक्टली द क्वेश्चन इज ऑल अबाउट. द माइंडसेट should be keep calm. The brain should not have any mental block. Keep logic. Always keep logic. No hurry is there. Always apply logic. Do one question at a time. Keep equal speed in all the questions. This is again something I have told you. And so, very best, all the best wishes to all of you from my side. Do well in the exam. And even if nahi hota hai acha, ठीक है, God forbid, but even if it is not up to the mark or you are not satisfied, then you have NEET PG just 1 month after, on 15th of June. So then learn from your mistakes. What mistakes you made here? What was the issue? And then in next 1 month, we'll try to cover up those mistakes, right? So all the best and best wishes from me to you. Have a great exam.